Okay, so I've been asked this question quite a lot on how I gathered the information and the knowledge that I teach. And so I'm going to go over this. I wrote it out. The primary reason why I'm doing this is to help people to master their own consciousness. Okay, so it's not a leader follower type of setup. It's more like I'm walking the path first, paved the path to help other people walk it as well. Okay, I'm not defining parameters on how you should act, how you should behave, what's right versus what's wrong. We look at the energetics, the structure of the field, the healing needed. Beyond that, it's up to your field to decide. Okay, so some people do really well with certain things at a quantum level, and other people do not. Okay, morality is not defined by our opinions. Truly, morality is defined by the field. What creates distortions in the field and what doesn't. Okay, that's it. And it's very simple to go into, and it keeps it from moving into a distorted power issue with a teacher-student dynamic. Okay, the field decides. Okay, what I know is the field, how the field reacts, how to activate advanced light bodies, how to move through thresholds, initiations, gateways, density ranges, activations, and maintain your field, your health, and your sanity, honestly, because a lot of people move through the ascension process and go so far out that their mind starts fracturing. Okay, so we keep it grounded, we integrate through the nervous system, we heal, and we evolve slowly and steadily. Okay, so I'm just going to go over this process, read it for the most part, and hopefully that will help you guys. Okay, so my cosmology is self-created. I mapped the cosmos. I also mapped how our at a human level we can activate advanced light bodies so that we can actually embody and anchor those frequency ranges here. The frequency ranges aren't above us or below us, they're right here. We can either access them right here or we cannot access them right here because we're either attuned to it or we're not. So the light body and the frequency levels, as we raise our frequency, you have to do the deep dives into the darker, denser energies as well as the higher frequency ranges. As you do that, then you can embody and integrate and access those higher bandwidths of information in the body. Okay, so you have to stay in the body. You have to do the integration work. Okay, so this is all self-created. It isn't something I read in a book and am now transmitting externally. I did it through my own self-study. My cosmology in the Jedi framework emerged from my own path. It was extensive study across many traditions and methods, followed by direct inner downloads of precise steps once I reached a certain level of integration. So I had to go through the initiations, just like everyone else has to do. Okay, only it was initiated by source. I didn't have someone helping me through this. Okay, I had to do it by myself. And it was very, very, very hard. Okay, the initiations I went through. Most people don't see it. I don't talk about it much. But what I had to go through to be able to write the school, document everything was extremely intense. Okay, so Spirit would give me a step to take. I'd take that step. If I finished the initiation, understood the lesson, was able to document the progress, then I'd get another step. It was completely blind, one step after the other, learning. It wasn't like I'm going to build this huge massive school and I'm going to do this. It was not like that at all. Okay, I had the download to do a school years and years ago. I thought it was going to be an art school. Okay, and then it turned into this, and it was just because I put one foot in front of the other. I never could have imagined this is what I was going to build. Okay, and that's the way it's going to be for most people if you follow the alignment that's needed and do what's needed, whether you want to or not. It's not an easy path. Okay, So after that, I rigorously studied and measured my own embodiment process, documented client healings and activations, and synthesized it into one cohesive system along with the cosmology. Okay. All of my books, I have probably over 2,000 pages written of the processes from entry level. I started writing in 2013. Entry level to now, after the whole school is built, that my whole process is documented while I was going through it through the books. Okay, the prep school is a documentation of my process through that material and those activations. Okay, I don't continue adding. I may add more every once in a while, but for the most part, my frequency range was appropriate for the prep school. That's why it stays as it is, because otherwise, if I start putting work in there now, meditations and stuff, it will throw people's frequencies up way too high to do it stably. Okay, so that's why individuals graduate into the mastery school, eventually the grandmaster school, and then they can do the more advanced work with me. Okay, so all of my books are the processes and the results from my personal experiences. Okay, so like I said, as I went through this, I documented it, I wrote the books, I have the meditations, the activations, so other people can follow, and I'm there to help you through it as well. Okay, all of my books and processes are the result of my personal research, documentation, and refinement. They're not derived from any single teacher or external source. They're my original contribution, grounded in what I've lived and verified through real outcomes. Okay, this ensures everything is tested in the body and field, is not just theoretical, and not just with myself, with others. Okay, so at a physical level, I am basically the face and the laborer for this work. Okay, to come down here, to go through the process, to document it, to record it, to write the books, to do the videos, to start the school, all of that. But there is a greater collective field of the school. Okay, so while I did all the physical work, research, documentation, sessions, etc., the Djedi Academy and its practices connect to a larger galactic, universal, multi-universal, and cosmic collective of advanced beings. Okay, so when you sign up for the school, any of the healing work or sessions with me, you step into resonance with this greater field. The commitment to the higher path opens access to these cosmic collaborations and collaborators who support the activations and evolution. Okay, so all of my session work and the school itself is structured within its own diamond sun field. Okay, it's not my personal field. There is a 12D temple of light that I bring people into, and this is a pure source field, a diamond sun temple. We do healing sessions there. People's guides come in, healing beings come in, your higher self is there. It's this whole field of beings that oversee and work there. The school itself has its own diamond sun field, so that when you step into the school, all of the beings that work within this field, within this template, can actually help you with your evolution, your ascension, etc. You have to be open to working with them. You have to be in alignment. You have to be in integrity. They are the ones that define the path, okay? Once you move in there. And you will see this. I mean, I see it with a lot of people. The second you sign up for school, things start shifting. The second people sign up for coaching with me, things start shifting, okay? There's many beings, guides, higher dimensional beings that are working with you. Once you take that step into the commitment, then things can line up, okay? As long as you stay out of the commitment and you're wishy-washy, that is not the path. This is not the path for those that are wishy-washy on this. So it's not me alone. I downloaded and anchored it from the divine or from source, applying all of the activations, the work, etc., and embodying it in human form. The school is a bridge where individual work meets this collective intelligence, okay? My unique role in personal documented physical ascension. So the difference between what I'm doing and a lot of other people doing is I'm actively going through and documenting the physical ascension in real time, the physical evolution embodiment process in real time, okay? And this is through a structured, rigorous process of embodiment, light body activations, and helping others do the same and documenting it, okay? So I'm not channeling information. I'm not documenting the general collective ascension. Most public discussions about this involve writing either the collective wave or channeling guidance. But true personal ascension requires someone to pioneer and embody the frequencies first, creating the template others can follow. Okay, so I'm doing the embodiment work, the activation work at a personal level, the ascension path, okay? My path is self-evolved light body activation. So you ascend through self-mastery. It evolves your consciousness. Your consciousness then evolves the DNA, your field, and your spiritual evolution. Essentially, the collective shift is led and stabilized by those doing the grounded individual work. Okay, my role is to provide that clear documented path with measurable steps, client results, and ongoing refinement. This is not a vague inspirational thing, but a repeatable framework for activation and integration. Okay, work is about sovereignty, embodiment, and returning to our true nature as fractals of source. So I wanted to go over that. This was all self-generated, self-created through my own process of embodiment. I understand it through and through, okay? I've studied the science of it. I've studied the spirituality of it. I've studied the process with many other people, the shifts and changes I've seen over people all over the world through the density shifts, etc., okay? Sending so much love.